Crazy week last week, and not even crazy week. Crazy 2 days last week post Tesla earnings. Market definitely sold off with that news. A lot of tech pulled back. This upcoming week is actually crazy to me because I feel like we just had FOMC, and already FOMC is this Wednesday, and I don't know if it feels like FOMC just passed because we got a new Fed president, but I could have sworn the last FOMC was like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. But for this upcoming Monday, there's no real data pre-market. Tuesday, ADP weekly employment change, nothing crazy. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Obviously Wednesday, FOMC at 2 p.m. The statements at 2 p.m. Press conference is at 2:30. Thursday, we have at 8:30 a.m. advanced GDP, unemployment claims, natural gas at 10:30. And Friday, we have at 8:30 employment cost index, and at 10 a.m. we have consumer sentiment. So that's that. As far as earnings, definitely another big earnings week. We have PayPal and BA Tuesday pre-market, Enphase, ENPH at close on Tuesday. We also have JetBlue and a few others, Coca-Cola. I've traded Nucor before, but the tradable ones for me right now, PayPal, BA, Enphase. That's Tuesday. Wednesday pre-market we have Sophie. I know a few people trade that. After close we have Microsoft, Meta, Robinhood, and ARM, and QCOM also at close. Thursday we have pre-market, we have nothing. After close we have Apple, Amazon, and Reddit. And I believe a few people have traded Roblox before, but that's about it for the week with earnings. And Moderna is Friday, nothing else Friday. For this week, I will be watching, even though they have earnings. I've learned that the 0 DTE on Monday moves, so I will be watching Apple. We're bull flagging back into the next two levels I have, and then we have room to the all-time high at 339.20. Next on my watch list, I have Google. We're bear flagging right now towards a gap. We also have a gap to the upside on the daily. But as you can see, we look like we're going to reject this 90 EMA for a bear flag continuation. So I will be looking at Friday's low for entry or Thursday's low for entry. Last on my watch list, since there's so much other earnings going on, is Tesla. We have a nice big gap from after its earnings. Let me see. A nice big gap from after earnings. I'll mark this out real quick. Nice big gap from after earnings. I did that wrong. But as far as downside, I will be watching downside. I don't see any up. Right now we're in a downtrend on the 1 hour. Obviously on the daily, we're super extended, and I thought we was extended here on Thursday, but Friday we continued, and it seemed like we're reaching for the bottom of this trend right here. Let me see the bottom of this trend. Look like we're reaching for the bottom of that trend. So I will mark this out. Let me see. I'll be watching this low and see if we have some type of continuation. And if this low holds and we break down, I'll be looking for this bottom of this trend for a target slash exit. So 306.50. I'll be looking for entry Friday. Sorry, for Monday. Let me see how we can play that into the bottom of this trend on the daily time frame. So that's my watch list, kind of short because of earnings, but we'll see what happens post earnings for everything else.